Today I'm going to be fixing everything that was wrong with my 2006 Pontiac Solstice when I bought it and upgrading the tail reflectors. The first thing I'm fixing is this rear view mirror. As you can see, it's very corroded along the outside. Instead of trying to find a new one, we bought this $10 Amazon alternatives that just clip on with these two parts. So fairly easy. You just stick it on top. It's like that. Nice thing is it's so much clearer, and now when I drive I can see my beautiful self. And nice thing about this is I can always see my beautiful passenger princess whenever I'm driving. Hey there! The next thing that I fixed was this radio antenna. It was just this little part right here. The actual wire got completely chopped right on off. So the first thing it is, I tried taking a drill and just drilling out that middle part. That did not work. I was off-centered and just proceeded to drill through the thing. So I drilled a big enough hole that this little piece could fit in, epoxied it, put some super glue on it, and then shoved it in there and let it dry. And it is pretty sound and secure in there, so it works fine. And then I just got this little antenna that we just screw right on, and it is working a lot better than it was before. So that's that fixed. On to the next. Okay, the next piece that I had to fix was this cup holder. This part was broken off, so the cup holder would not hold any cups, but we bought a $40 piece off of Google somewhere. When you close it, you just push at the back end of where it's supposed to open up. That pops it. You can pull it out from there. Turn it over. When it opens, you take off this top screw. You can slide the metal piece in, and then there's a groove inside here. That is how you fix that little cup holder. It's all back in. You just pop it in like a cassette player, if anyone knows what that is. All right, the final piece that is a fix slash upgrade is we added this windshield here. Very simple. Move the seats up, clean the part with alcohol wipes provided, take off the tape for the wind visor, center it up, stick it on, and leave it for 72 hours. So that's all the basic issues that we had with the Pontiac Solstice. And now on to fixing or upgrading the rear reflectors. For the last part of today's video, I'm going to be upgrading these rear reflectors here. This is the stock ones that we're going to be transitioning out of, and these are the new ones that we're going to be putting in. Can't really see them too well right now, but once we get them in, hopefully they'll light up and look better. So, all right guys, before I get into upgrading those rear reflectors on the back of the car that you just saw, if you guys are enjoying this type of video, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, put on notifications, all of the above. It helps me out a lot. But let's get into now changing out those reflectors. This shit came broken. Oh fuck, one of these came broken. We'll see if it matters. Ugh, there's a frog on the fucking floor. Dead. What the fuck is that? A dead frog? It's disgusting. Ew. Fucking. Anybody want some frog jerky? Anyway, take off the screws. Just two screws holding it up. So that just pops out. So now I can pull this out. Okay. Let me go Google this shit real quick. Alright, so there is lights that come on. Pretty sure that these are for the brake lights. But I can't really get up into the brake lights or wherever the wire would be going. And I'm going to have to take off this rear bumper at a later time for multiple reasons. No spoilers yet. But look forward towards those. But so without doing that, I'm just going to take these off and just install them now without hooking these wire ups. But I will be doing that in a later video. These luckily just are simple. Plug in. That's upside down. Line it up. Maybe. There we go. Okay, so those are in. All right, so that's in. Let's see how that one works. All right, first, second. Back it up. Dope, I just watched the video back and it did nothing. Twist it. I bet you I didn't twist it far enough. All right, leave that there. Let's try this again. Back it up. Don't back it up. Back it up. Don't back. Back it up. All right, that wasn't working. Let me go Google some more. All right, so after some quick research online, I cannot figure out how to take these motherfuckers off. or get them to work normally. So I don't even know if I have defective ones or not. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and take this bumper off. Did not want to have to do it, so I will jump ahead and not put you guys through doing it. So here goes the rear bumper. I feel like I'm giving a cow a freaking colonoscopy. Fucking yerking it over here to the camera. Whoever fucking designed this makes me contemplate suicide. Alrighty guys, so after 2 hours of trying to take off this bumper, it's not going well. Even the big ordeal, I'm trying to go in from the top through the taillights. I don't think that's the best way to do it. I think I actually have to jack the car up, take off the wheels, and then go up through the wheel liner from that way, because there's some bolts. Even this way, I don't think I can get. But sorry for the not being able to finish and install these things, but hopefully I'll be doing that in the next video. My neighbor's out, so hold on. Anyway, hopefully in the next video, this bumper will be off and then I can finish installing these. I thought these were going to be a short, simple fix of just popping them out and then putting the bulbs in, but it's not looking that way, especially I don't know what these wires are for. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, if you like this type of content, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Really helps me out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. And upgrading the tail lights. It's not even the tail reflectors. Today. Better place to get on it. That seems good. Getting this thing all 200 pounds. Oh baby, I'm gonna fucking break this shit. My wonderful Pratt DVD. Let's start the recording. My wife's gonna hate me. Get it. I fucking hate my life. I'm doing this with an open garage, I hope you know. Fucking neighbors can see me twerk it.